Welcome to my Elementor website builder review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Elementor is one of the most popular drag-and-drop website builders for WordPress, designed to empower users, from beginners to professionals, with the tools they need to create stunning websites without writing a single line of code. It's packed with features like an intuitive visual editor, a wide variety of widgets, pre-made templates, and responsive design options that make it easy to build websites quickly and efficiently. At the core of Elementor is its user-friendly drag-and-drop interface. This allows you to visually build pages, adjusting layouts, adding text, images, buttons, and other elements seamlessly. It's an incredibly versatile tool, offering a wide range of widgets, including sliders, galleries, forms, and advanced content elements. It also comes with over 80 pre-designed templates that can be customized to fit any niche, making it ideal for users with limited design experience or those looking for a fast setup. Elementor's strength lies in its flexibility. You can fully customize each section of your website, offering advanced design options that allow for pixel-perfect control. For developers, Elementor Pro provides even more robust features like custom CSS, dynamic content, and theme builder capabilities, giving you the ability to create custom headers, footers, and more. The live editing feature makes the process even more intuitive, allowing you to see changes in real time. However, Elementor is not without its weaknesses. First, the free version, while functional, is somewhat limited compared to Elementor Pro. The advanced features, such as theme building, pop-up builders, and more widgets, are locked behind a paywall. Additionally, Elementor can be resource-intensive, which may lead to slower page load times, especially if you're using a lot of complex widgets or heavy elements. Another downside is that as a WordPress plugin, Elementor relies on the WordPress ecosystem, meaning it may not work as efficiently with non-WordPress hosting providers, or if you have compatibility issues with other plugins. In conclusion, Elementor is a powerful website builder that can meet the needs of both beginners and advanced users. Its ease of use, extensive design options, and flexibility make it a top choice for anyone looking to build a professional-looking website. While there are some drawbacks, particularly with the free version and performance issues on complex sites, the overall experience is solid and widely appreciated by the WordPress community.